Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis every day, Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for day trading. So we have a new week. I need to actually make this video quick because I might need to take a trade. Yeah. So last week was neutral. We took out the highs, we took out the lows, and to be fair, we didn't take out the lows. We still have stops left at 40k, which I'm expecting this week to start a move now. We started this to the downside, we got a nice wick, now we are testing the upside. Weekly open is gonna be important. Losing weekly open, I'm assuming we are targeting 40k, but for now the downside is already tested, so the move is up. We are aiming for the highs, no reason to short. So let's just see what happens. Weekly open is the only important level on this chart. Daily chart again. We start making smaller candles, some bullish reactions from the lows, and we sweep the lows from the weekend. We are moving up now. This is a daily level at 44,900. Let's see if I have. Yeah, I have it on my chart. Okay. So first of all, from last week I had a projection at 45k. We hit the projection and we got from the high to the low at over 2% move. So high probability is reaction. Reversal is not high probability because we tested a downside already. If we started the week with a move up, this would be such an easy short. But for now I didn't short the reaction, which was high probability. I just wasn't on my PC. First I want to make a video before entering a trade, so I have a plan. So we got a nice bounce as well. We're trying to break the resistance at 45k. First move down, then we're testing the upside, which is the real move. No signs of weakness. Reaction all recovered. So I don't know. We're probably looking for new highs on yearly. Potential short on the swing failure, or potential top formation anywhere above the highs. Something like this. Consolidate. Don't short on the move up. Like, okay, this is a good level, but you don't short on the move up. On the first move. Because the only aggressive trades you can trade are swing failures. This is a swing failure. Bang. You got a 2% move down. Okay, you didn't catch the high, didn't catch the low. You can easily capitalize on 1% profit. This is an aggressive trade you can trade. And if it's not a swing failure, you wait for top formation. That means you need patience. You don't just short anything. Potential swing failure is at 46k. That one you can trade with one reaction. But above 46k, you wait for top to form. Let's go to Atas and see how the longs are doing, how they're pushing the price. Are they doing a good job? First, let's check the profile. Of course, we are above everything. We are tapping into the zone. So, potential reversal here. Potential reversal. And losing 43,700 more or less. Kind of the point of control. It's bearish. For now, we're expecting higher prices. So currently sells easily move price down, buys easily move price back up. There was more sells than buys at the same price point because CVD is lower than it was. That means buyers are doing easier job than sellers, but it's not that big of a difference. If there is much more sellers than buyers, they can move the price as well. But at the moment there is less buyers, but they are moving the same amount in price. So there is less buyers, but they are doing good job. So no reason to believe we're reversing yet. The reaction, swing failure, of course you trade, but as you can see, many people shorted this, many people thought this is a good reaction, and now if they didn't take this profit, they're getting wrecked. You target something like previous highs, you need to take some profit. Especially since this week started with a move down. So we are expecting the real move to be up. So the probabilities for reversal are low, but for reaction it's still very good. See, we take the high, it was very good reaction. And then look how we close this 1 hour candle. This is insane. After a move down, we still managed to close so high. Okay, so another thing, all this consolidation over the weekend and on Friday, as you can see, CVD is moving down most of the time. That means people are getting more in shorts than in longs, and price is sideways. That means shorts are more aggressive, but they're doing bad job, because every short is matched with a buy, with a limit order buy on the book, and there was enough buys on the book to absorb all the sells that happened here over the weekend. You see some kind of buyer's absorption sometimes. You see one time here, you see one time right here, so you can expect some kind of shakeout when buyers are absorbed, but on the bigger picture there is much more sells than buys. So let's just go back on TradingView and try to see what is the next best trade. Do we want to short this? No, I first want to wait for sign of weakness. It is a possible reversal here, but since we tested the downside first and now we are testing the upside, I'm assuming we're moving higher. So first we would need to see some local reversal. Like this, you see this reaction? I'm not shorting this, okay? We get another move down, it's gonna be higher low, and then we break out the structure and then break out. I'm not shorting this. Where's the VWAP? Too far. So I might need to miss out on the move down if this happens, because I didn't take this short and I'm not taking this one. CVD doesn't look like it's a massive wall. It was a wall here, they rejected the price, but now the buyers are moving price more easily. So we're expecting new highs probably. Point of control on the weekly open. This is the high range point of control. As long as we are above, I'm assuming we move up. But since this move was so fast, this can move down easily as well. I know it seems like it's a good place to enter a trade, a short. It is a good place for reversal, but reversal is lower probability. So if you're looking for, let's say, 1.5% risk to this high, and then your profit would be around here below 43k, because we have some lows, a lot of liquidity here. With this week we didn't take out any lows. This is a free risk reward, so even if it's lower probability that we reverse, it could be a good trade, but I'm not gonna take it. So another thing, everyone who shorted in this range, they had their stop loss right here, it was taken out. Everyone who shorted, who longed in this range, they had their stop loss 39999. You see how easy it is. You short, you long for past 26 days, you're still in profit, you're still in position. You long for past 33 days, you're still in position. Happy days. Diamond hands, we're going up. Hold your Bitcoin, hold your bags, hold your longs, and we fly to the upside, to the moon. The shorts were stopped out, the longs are not stopped out. So I'm still looking at this as a range, and we are at the highs of the range trying to break out. Breakout is probably lower probability, but what can Bitcoin do? Like, I'm expecting Bitcoin to move to 40k and lower, but what can Bitcoin do before it does what I think it will do? It can probably swing failure this, but I had this projected before. It could do another kind of swing failure, failed auction type of move above the highs. It's like it's breaking out with higher probability, but I'm still expecting 40k. Like, what the hell, what's happening? If we do some kind of top formation, backtest point of control, that's gonna be a short anywhere above the high. The only aggressive trades you can take, swing failure of this, which already happened, already played out. We got this 2% move down, and swing failure of 46k is the next opportunity, basically. Next aggressive opportunity here, next like patient opportunity is a top formation above the highs, anywhere on the chart, top formation. And if we don't take out the highs, backtest of this level, like not for long, I'm not gonna long this, like I'm expecting 40k, maybe at least 43k to take out these lows. Above 43k, I'm not even interested in longs. Like, I don't care what happens. We go up, we make another range, okay, I might long swing failure like this. But on this chart, locally, I'm not interested in longs. I prefer missing the move, which is higher probability that we move up, but I prefer to miss it because I'm not longing resistance. I'm only longing for shorts on resistance, looking for shorts. So if I'm expecting price to move lower, this is a possible opportunity to long 43k. Other than that, a bottom formation anywhere on the chart below 43k. A bottom formation below 43k is a long, or we can just get 38k target. And this is the daily target, tapping into the previous structure. 38k is a good possibility for this week if we lose the weekly open. So shorts 1, next one is some kind of top formation. From here I don't want to short, but it is a possible reversal. You could make a lot of money on this short because we're still targeting 40k. I'm just gonna, like, if we reject here, we come back to the golden pocket with bearish CVD, bearish absorption. I might take this short and then we just smash this and smash. So I'm waiting for US open to see what happens. After the rejection, I trade the golden pocket. If it happens here, the golden pocket, like this, and we move down, we go back up, and then we smash. I might trade something like this for short, some kind of top formation. But for the swing failure, it's already played out. Yeah, so it's a difficult day again. Probably moving up higher. Possible reversal here. Yeah, so I hope you learned something. And see you tomorrow.